a single person, please, once you are sure that this is the person that God wants you to marry, while you are dating, you call it dating now. In our days, we called it courtship. While you are dating or you are in courtship with that person, create time, quality time. Number one, to know God together, pray together. Number two, to invest in each other. Discuss about life. How many children do you want? Do you believe in joint accounts? How do you want us to run this home? Which church are we going to go? Can I quickly say this? If you are born again, don't marry an unbeliever. Otherwise, the devil will become your father-in-law. Please. Marriage is too serious for you to just be flippant about it. So, discuss. And when you now decide that you're going to be married, make sure that you carry your parents along. You know, we all have 5 kinds of parents. But I'm talking now about your biological parents and your spiritual parents. Some of you are saying, okay, so 5 kinds of parents. Yes, spiritual, biological, natural. Natural parents are the parents that gave birth to the person you want to marry. Biological are the parents that gave birth to you. Spiritual parents. Adopted. Some people have adopted you or you have adopted some. And then destiny parents. Carry your parents along. Do not elope with anybody. I'm really rushing because of time. And when you're in courtship, and now you want to go and meet the parents, let me talk about the brother first. As a man, you want to go and meet your in-laws to be. Dress well the day you are going. But don't overdress. Go with a gift. You might want to go with someone, maybe your brother or your friend. When you get there, depending on your culture, in my culture, I'm Yoruba, you prostrate, your chin must touch the ground. In your culture here, maybe you kneel down or you genuflex, I don't know. Give the highest honor. And then take a gift along. It may be wine, it may be pen, it may be whatever. If you see little children there, or people that are, serving you food or something, don't be so stingy. Give them something. Bless them. Bless them. I'm being practical with you now. When they serve you food there, don't finish the food. That day, please. Eat small, remain. At least, let something remain. And then, be very respectful. Because some of you are not seeing me. Be very respectful. Communicate. Honor the parents, honor the people there. Show your intellect, but don't be unnecessarily proud. And make your intention known. As a woman, when you are going, advise that first trip, you don't go with a gift or something too big. Maybe just a basket of fruit or something, or wrapper for mama. When you get there, depending on your culture, in my culture, we kneel to greet elders. As a Yoruba girl, you will kneel down and remain on your knees. And you will let your eyes look down. It's not that you'll be staring at the mama and the baba and everybody there, Let them tell you to stand up before you stand up. Even if you're an extrovert, please pretend that day. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Stand up. My daughter, stand up. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Okay? So you stand up. When you get inside, sit on the very first seat. Don't walk around, the length of the house. Just enter and sit down. When you sit down, you may not realize they may be watching you through the keyhole. Because you've gone there for your entrance exam. Your own is more than the man. So, you calmly remember what you wear. Will not be something you'll be looking for scarf and be pushing like this. And then one high heel shoe that you are shaking. No. Be as comfortable as possible. Not that your cleavage, everything is opening. If you must look around, turn your eyes, not your head. Just turn. Be calm, and all that. If they ask you any question, answer briefly. Where are you from? Well, you're in another state of Nigeria. Just, as calmly as possible. If they are discussing or the TV is on, don't open your mouth and say, you see Obasanjo? Oh my God, Shh. Sit in Umbu now. I voted. Did you vote that day, Mama? I know you will not finish food if they serve you, but please, if the meat is tough, don't pull it. Just leave it like that. And make sure that no oil spills on your dress. As soon as you finish eating, I know you won't finish everything, just a little. Even if you are hungry, go and drink garri when you get home. But, just carry your plate. Make attempt to pack. My dear, leave it. Housekeepers, no, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Just be looking down. Just be. See, am I pretending? No, I'm being diplomatic. You carry the plate, you go to the kitchen, you wash. Yes. You wash the plate. Some of you go to your boyfriend's houses and you wash plates there. So we're talking about your in-laws now. Wash. Time. Singles will meet again. Let me speak to the married.